Welcome guys. Let's do KuCoin token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. This is the native token of KuCoin exchange. That is why I am making this video because I think this token has having very bright future. Current rank of KCS is 110 and price is $10.38 right now. Market cap of this token is $806 million. That is good. And 24-hour trading volume of this token is $8.3 million. That is good. Circulating supply of this token is just 77 million only. And total supply of this token is just 167 only. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you the website. Here you can see. On Tuesday, 7 November 2017, price of this token was just 73 cents and after that price goes to $20 and this is the possible top. And let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of this token was on January 10, 2018, about 3 years ago, and the price was $20.17. And all-time low of this token was on February 7, 2019, about 2 years ago, and the price was just 34 cents only. And this token is available on its exchange, and this is the exchange. The link of this exchange is available in this video's comment section. Just go to in this video's comment section where you can get KuCoin link. This is the KuCoin exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after deposit you can get some bonus too. And this is Binance exchange link, and this is Premix and Bybit exchange link, exchanges links. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you the chart. First of all, this is the KCS daily chart, and this is the all-time high of KCS chart, and this is the horizontal resistance, and it is major support zone right now. Let me please arrange the chart. Currently it is in this falling wedge, you can say, and here you can see this is the upper trend line, this is the downtrend line, some touches from upside, some touches from downside. And if I calculate the target according to this pattern, in that case our next target after breakout will be like this. Let me please show you. $17.17 approximately, or you can say, let me please mark on this, $17.76. This is the possible scenario. Price can move like this, and after that I think it have to move towards upside because it is a bullish pattern. And once it broke this area, this horizontal resistance, $11 and $12 price area, in that case it will broke this upper trend line. In that case, that will be the target, $17.76. And this is the major support. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, I have to show you EMA ribbon. Candles are behind below this EMA ribbon, and once candles break this EMA ribbon and close EMA ribbon above $11 price area, sorry, $12 price area, in that case I think a big rally of KCS definitely will start after this. Let me please hide this and let me please show you my next major indicator, and it is CPR. Here you can see these three lines are major CPR levels, monthly CPR levels, and price is in between this. That is why price is moving sideways. Once price broke this area, upper CPR level, $12.34, in that case new rally definitely will start. In that case, these will be the target. Let me please mark on this. First target, guys, these are long-term target. Maybe it will take 1 month, maybe it will take 2 months, but definitely KCS will hit these targets. and these are bearish target. Once it broke this support, in that case price can go down to retest this zone 6.43, and it is the worst scenario, but I don't think price can go down to hit this level. This level is very important. This level is very important. $9 to $8 price area. This area is very important, and once it broke this area towards upside, in that case these are the targets. And let me please show you weekly chart. This is weekly chart, KuCoin weekly chart, and it is all-time high, and it is major support zone right now, and these are also a teeny support zone, and this is last support zone for the KCS, and it is in this descending wedge, or you can say in a triangle. Once it broke this, in that case our target will be like this. Same area, the all-time high price area, and it is $21 price area. But to achieve this target, KCS price have to break this, and after that we may see some that kind of action in KCS price. We have to wait until KCS break this upper trend line and close weekly candle above this zone, $12 to $13 price zone. In that case, definitely it can hit $21 price zone again. And if unfortunately it break this $8 support area, $8 to $8.87 price area, in that case price can go down to 6.67, and this is the major support, I think so, and the least support is at 3.45. I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Here you can see candle is still above this EMA ribbon, and we are still in uptrend. Once candles, weekly candles close below $7.45, in that case I am bearish. Otherwise we are still in uptrend, and we have to wait for this. And let me please show you the CPR levels, sorry, the retracement levels, and here you can see it is in between this zone, in between golden pocket, 0.61 to 0.51. Once it broke 0.61 and it is at 10.37, next target is 0.38, and the price can go to 12.76, and after that this zone 0.23, and price can go to 15.70, and after that this area all-time price high price area. And once it broke this 0.65 level, in that case it can go down to 0.78, and it is at 4.52, and it is the least zone. It have to hold this zone, and it is the least zone. And here you can see how perfectly it hit previously these zones. Let me please remove this, and let me please show you the target of this bull run, and let me please do this. Let me please arrange this chart. That was the least level. It have to hold the least level price area, and my target for KCS in this bull run is $60 price area, $50 to $60 price area. This area, this is very important, 0.26 to 3.6 in between this area, and price can hit $50 price area, this area, and it is in between, sorry, 1.6 to 2.6 level, and it is at $50. This is the main target, I think so, of this bull run. $50, maybe $60. These are two targets. I think KCS can hit these targets in this bull run. Thanks for the watching, guys, and always keep supporting me. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $700 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $1,600 bonus, and also $100 bonus of KuCoin, then go to in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses, and you can also withdraw and trade with these bonuses. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.